You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. My name is Vanessa, in case you are new here, and as you can see by the title, we are doing another KonMari video. I'm so excited to be filming this type of video. KonMari is definitely one of my favorite types of content to create because I'm also a consumer of KonMari journeys. I love watching other YouTubers' KonMari journey. It's so fascinating to me, and I just love everything that this method of cleaning stands for. If the KonMari method is new to you, it is inspired by Marie Kondo and the book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying It Up. I will link it down below. At this point, I'm sure you've heard of it. I feel like it's created a lot of buzz over the past year or so, but basically what it is in a nutshell is keeping things in your home that you love and that spark joy. It's not about minimalism. It's not about living with as little as possible. It's about living with the things that you love and passing on the things that you don't love or you don't need to people who could use it and who would find joy in it. So I think that's such a beautiful thing, and that's why I love it, and I love creating videos like this. So today we are going to be focusing on my linen closet, and here is a little overview of what it looks like. It's not very big, but I do think that we could get rid of some stuff in here. I know that I'm not using everything in here right now, and there's definitely an opportunity to clear out some stuff. So on the top shelf, in that basket up there we go. In that basket up there is all hair care products. My hair care routine is fairly simple. I either curl it or let it straight, and I have a couple of products that I like, and all of them are under the sink. I have not reached into that basket since we moved into this new house, so I'm going to be as ruthless as possible going through that basket. On the second shelf, I do reach into those baskets quite a bit, but it's not organized, and I do feel like there are probably some things in there that I could get rid of, either donate or throw out if they are expired. The next shelf just keeps our towels, and I do want to go through the linens and make sure that I don't have any extras, things that I don't need. And then on this bottom shelf there is a couple of things that I want to go through. So typically how you do KonMari is you put everything into one space, and then that way you can have a full assessment of what you have and go from there. So I'm going to empty out the closet. It's going to go right behind you guys into our small little living room, and I'm going to take inventory of all the things I have and go through it one by one, hold the item and ask myself, do I love this? Do I need it? What do I want to do with it? And we'll go from there. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get started.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I...
Alright guys, so now I have everything all right here on the floor. I'm going to angle the camera down and just kind of talk you through my rationale as I'm going through some of these items. I can tell that I have a lot of duplicates. I love to save money, and sometimes when things are on sale I tend to stock up. I do sometimes shop at Costco, which I do love shopping at Costco to get the right deal, but then sometimes I just have too much of something. So we'll just kind of go through everything and see what happens. Okay, I bought these, I think at the dollar store. I bought these to clean my engagement ring, and I only needed one toothbrush, but it came with 5, so I really don't need all these other ones. So I think I'm actually going to try to donate this. I know this was open, so I'm not sure if it's donatable, but I will try because I don't need all of these. Medicines, I need a better system for organizing medications. This is still good, so I'm going to keep that. Baby powder. Love my sunscreen, so I'm going to keep sunscreen. Let me guys know in the comments below, how do you guys organize all your medications? Do you keep all of your medications in a bin like this? Do you take them out of their containers and organize them by like type of medicine? I'm still trying to figure out a way that works for me. I haven't really found one that I love, so let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. Deodorant, I'm going to keep that. Witch hazel, I can't remember the last time I've used this. So I think I'm going to throw that out. Toothpaste, keep toothpaste, first aid. Okay. Now these are toothbrushes that I actually use, so I'm going to keep these. I'm going to give these to my mom because I know that she uses these. These are the L'Oreal Revitalift. I've since stopped using it. I do like this product, but I just haven't used it in a while. And these are not expired, so I am going to go ahead and gift these to her because I know that she likes them. And then this is my self-tanner. I do like this stuff, so I am going to keep that. And then everybody, of course, needs a lint roller. I don't really feel like I haven't used this in a really long time. This is a little sample of the CeraVe. It came for free. I'm just not really a bar soap. Well, that's not true. I like bar soap, but I haven't used it in a while, so my guess is that I'm not gonna use it. So I'm going to go ahead and donate that because I haven't used it or opened it. This is a little contact case. I don't put contacts, I use daily disposable contacts, but I like to keep one contact lens case for guests. If they're having trouble with their contacts, I just keep one. So actually in my last purge of everything in my linen closet, I got rid of so many contact lens cases. I know that's so random, but I am going to keep one just for those instances where somebody might need one. And then that's pretty much it. So let's take everything out of here, even though I'm going to keep these. P.S. I love this stuff. The Rain Bath collection from Neutrogena. It's kind of like stupid expensive, but I do really like it. I also really like the Caress body washes too. These both smell amazing. I'm using this one right now, the Tahitian Renewal. It smells so amazing. I love it. Okay, so one bin is empty.
You're over the hillside, it's alright. We stood there all wide-eyed, you and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Okay, so I just went through everything. Basically, everything I'm keeping is right here. From here over. It kind of looks like a lot, but that's totally okay. Like I said, KonMari is not about, it's not minimalism. It's not about getting rid of everything and living with as little as possible. It's about getting rid of the stuff that doesn't bring you joy and that you're not using and you don't need. So everything over here, I'm going to be getting rid of, excuse me. Everything in that blue basket is trash. Everything else I'm either giving away or going to try to donate if possible. I was holding on to this curling iron just like out of fear. What if my other one dies? Like I feel like I need to have a backup. All hell will not break loose if my curling iron dies. Like I will be okay. I can just have straight hair for a day. That'll be fine. So I'm gonna get rid of that and stop keeping things in fear of something breaking. Emptied out all these baskets. I am keeping this and these. those hydrogen peroxides are going to be relocated outside to the garage because they're taking up too much space. They're big and they're bulky. That is an example of something that I bought. I forget now exactly what it was that I needed like a ton of hydrogen peroxide for. I was cleaning something and I needed a ton of it, and I forget exactly what that was. But anyway, so there's that. I'm going to reorganize everything into a better system. That way the things that I use most frequently are more accessible. So everything in those gray bins that go on the eye level shelf are going to be things that I would reach for more commonly. The things that are on the upper shelf are going to be things that I don't need as often. I felt like before the things that I felt like it was a little bit swip-swapped. You don't need access to, you know, some of the first aid items every single day, but I do find myself needing medication and things of that nature more often. So I'm going to kind of switch up the way I had it organized just based on my last month of living here and what I'm reaching for most and what has been a hassle to reach for. So yeah, let's go ahead and organize that and then get it back into the closet, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're all done.
No, I don't care about the heartache and pain. Just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a loss, but heart.
Okay, after I went through everything again, putting it into the bins, I got actually rid of a couple more things, and I took things out of boxes for the most part to just create more room in the baskets. So for like this teeth whitening thing, my toothpaste, things like that. And I just lined things up, the wet ones. They just look better organized in there. So I'm very happy with how this looks. It's not perfect, but it's functional and it's what I need. So, you know, throughout time, if I find that this system isn't working for me, I can always look for ways to improve it. I feel like buying too many organization things can just become overwhelming and just defeat the purpose. So if this works for me, then it works, and if it doesn't, I'll find another system that does, but for now it does. And then this is just my extras basket of things that I use, but I either have you know, a current, like for example, sunscreen. I have one of these right now underneath my sink, so I don't need the extras at the moment. So these are gonna go high up in the linen closet because I'm not gonna be reaching for this stuff every single day. On the other hand, this stuff is things that I would need on a more regular basis. So I will go ahead and put this back in the linen closet and show you guys what the final look looks like. Alright guys, here is the final look. Just so you know, I did take my step stool and go up here and go through all of these cleaning products up here. I do want to keep those. My floor cleaners in the back are iron. The heating pad I knew was gonna stay. I did pull out this basket quick of all of the linens. This is the only linens that we have. So I went through them real quick. I do want to keep them. Washcloths, and this is just the basket that I throw my towels in. And then in the back there, we're keeping anytime we have extra change, we're throwing our change in a bucket to see how much we can save up. Anyway, and then I just have my aprons here. You know what? Do I need all of these? I'm just going to keep one. I'm going to get rid of two because I don't need all of these aprons, and I don't need this other little thing. This is one of those bag things, but I have one now for the outside, so I'm going to get rid of this too. Awesome, so this is the big pile of stuff that I am getting rid of. And I'm so happy because now this just seems a whole lot more manageable. That's the whole idea of KonMari, is making everything more manageable. I love everything that's in here. I don't have anything extra, only the things that I need. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are beginning your KonMari journey, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear about how it's going. And until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we